To get the best performance out of your motor guide with Pinpoint GPS, you'll need to calibrate the mounting angle. It can be done either with the boat in or out of the water. First, you're going to deploy the motor and adjust the height so that you can steer the motor. Next, you can power the motor on and wait for the GPS to acquire signal. Once you have a fixed GPS position, the light on the indicator panel will illuminate and you'll hear an audible tune. Once your motor has GPS signal, you can steer your motor with your remote so that the nose of the lower unit is facing straight ahead and the prop is facing the rear of the boat, parallel with the keel of the boat. Once the lower unit is lined up, you're going to press and hold the manual mode button on the remote. Then you're going to press 1, 1, 2 on the remote. The motor should make an audible tune and then return to manual mode. Once you do that, you've completed the mounting angle calibration.